Laws are made for the betterment of the peoples living in the countries. But sometimes the laws are too much strict to follow. But we are very lucky that our country is not having that much strict law, and India is the one of the most suitable country in the whole universe to live on. So in this video we are going to discuss about the 10 countries which have the strictest law. So guys, this is Mohit and you're watching Know the Fact. So let's get started. Before starting, if you have not subscribed to our channel, then do subscribe and press the bell icon also. So now let's get started. The first name in our list is Equatorial Guyana. People who lived in Equatorial Guyana are discouraged from learning, reading and writing. Newsstands and bookstores are not allowed in the said country. Their tourism is low because foreigners are not allowed in country. In 1973, President Theodoros Obiang Nguema Mabesogong, who was installed by a cop, controls the radio station and TV. Foreigners who can enter the country are prohibited and strictly monitored from protecting poverty condition and filming scenes. So there is a very strict law for the foreigners. We can't film, we can't shoot, we can't do anything at that country. So it is the very worst condition of the country. The second name in our list is Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia is deeply rooted in laws that are connected with traditions and religion, while being huddled and taking down their curtains worldwide. Their social law for women are tough. When going out, women are not allowed to wear casual clothes and they should only be with a relative if it's a man. The outlets of the media are closely monitored and the access to the internet is limited. Whenever senior editors broadcast or publish content that says negative about their administration, they can be fired. Third name in our list is Iran. The government of Iran is based on Sharia law. Propaganda and actions against the government is prohibited. Slight negative statement about the Iranis' bad governance is enough for you to be in trouble. Social media logins such as Google, YouTube, and Facebook will also get you in a trouble. Men can't have another hairstyle unless prescribed by the Islam. Women must follow a specific dress code, like wearing a head cover called hijab and avoiding pants like skinny jeans. Western music like rap, jazz, and rock are not allowed. Alcohol beverages for women and men are strictly prohibited. The fourth name in our list is North Korea. Nowadays, North Korea is the only one that is still purely communist. They accept other countries other than the United States and South Korea. Tourists have their assignment minders. The minder will assist them for the arrival until departure to ensure they will not break any rules, like speaking against the government of North Korea. Administration controls everything from radio, print, and TV. Broadcast and news content are censored. The only one who can access the internet is the ruling elite, and the activities online are also strictly monitored. North Korea's movement are limited. Loitering in the parks isn't allowed, and all the activities and movement must have a valid reason. Having a sexual relationship outside marriage is strictly prohibited. The dating police is one assigned in this issue. North Korea is also strict in a fashion code. Women are prohibited from wearing pants and men should have the haircut every 15 days. Those who violate are punished by the forced labor. I think in our list North Korea has the strictest law. What do you think? The fifth name in our list is Eritrea. In 1993, Isaac Afwerki ruled the Eritrea, which is located above Africa. The government and the president have total control on the news and its writer. It must be approved first by president's office prior to be broadcast or published. Even religion is controlled. Performing public worship is not allowed. It is a must to be a member first of a specific sect prior to practicing their own faith. The sixth name in our list is Syria. The violence in the country of Syria continues to increase due to government and rebel force clash. To suppress the action of anti-government, the Syrian government restored to the blackout of nationwide communication. Communication via the internet, mobile, and landline are limited. Correspondents of the foreign news are banned from entering the nation, and the news is strictly monitored. Any journalist of Syria who will act against the administration will be tortured and worse, receive death as a punishment. The seventh name in our list is Cuba. Cuba, the bowl of sugar. Cuba, home of Fidel Castro and Cubic cigars, is the top destination for a holiday worldwide. However, it is still a communist nation, and speaking against their government will get you into trouble. The internet is strictly monitored, and writers who are posting anti government opinions will be arrested and go to jail. Cubans, though, know how to party and can drink alcohol. However, playing regulation is not allowed yet. The eighth name in our list is Japan. Believed by many, the federal system had a great influence on how the Japanese government does the business. The hierarchy of authority is relative in all structures such as school, offices, workplace, and household. The Company of Japan has strict policies on work, and it is a must to all employees from the CEO downwards to perform well in Excel. Talking about Nagasaki and Hiroshima bombing of World War II is not allowed. The ninth name in our list is Singapore. Unlike most of the countries above, the implementation of government's policies and rules on tourists and locals have notched higher than other countries, even though the country is small. The wrong will cost you a fine. Splitting and smoking can get you into trouble. Even wearing an improper dress can send you to jail. Can you imagine how rigid the government of Singapore when it comes to a serious crime? The solid adherence of their rules make the country to have a world-class economy with high living standard compared to some advanced European countries. The last name in our list is China. China has an economy that booms. China is an open nation projected a positive image among territorial roles and a neighborhood. Still, China is a communist country that everybody should understand. Thus, nobody should cross their government. The propaganda of any anti government is traced immediately, and the one who is responsible will be silenced. Instilling Western influences on the Chinese youth mind is a crime. Their media is strictly monitored, even internet access. Laws helps a country in controlling any type of crime in a country. I think India has also very good law, but we must need some strict laws so that crime in our country can also decrease. So this is all for today guys. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, then hit the like button and do subscribe to our channel. Do not forget to share this video, and the links of our social media platforms are given in the description. There you get a fact every day. So guys, don't forget to follow on our social media platforms and do comment whatever you want.